Life comes at you really fast because it is absolutely freezing in my office and I can't turn the aircon on hot, otherwise it's going to distract this video. So I just have to be cold. I just have to be cold in this video just so I can get it filmed for you guys. But hey, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Teddy G, and on this channel I like to share what it's truly like to run a clothing brand, as well as dropping tips, tricks, gems and all of that good stuff. And guys, I have quite an exciting video to share with you guys today. A couple of videos ago I posted all about Knitup, which is basically a company that is able to bring your knitwear ideas to life. And in that video I actually went ahead and designed my own knitwear cardigan, it was, and I processed that, and I actually have the cardigan with me here today. I'm so excited to actually show you this cardigan. But before I actually get into that, I do want to talk really quickly about Knitup. So Knitup is this amazing platform whereby you can go on there, you can design your own knitwear products, have them produced. There's no minimum order quantity, and they have a range of fabrics which are incredible. They have cotton, wool, cashmere, guys, just some really amazing fabrics to work with, and you can have your designs basically woven on to these different sets of garments that they have on their website. And in my previous video I would have gone through some of these little books that have like the fabric swatches and the colors that they offer. It's called their stitch box, and it also came with this incredible scarf that I ended up keeping on for that entire video because it was just so warm and soft and cozy. I'm going to have Knitup linked in my description, and I also just want to quickly say thank you to them for teaming up with me on this video. So yeah, enough about the platform itself. Let's get into this unboxing, which is why I know you guys are here. And guys, this is actually gonna be first impressions because as you can see, I haven't actually opened this. It is sealed. This is the first time I am seeing this product in real life as well. So just to put things into context so you can have an idea of like lead times and all of that kind of jazz, I placed this order for this particular garment on the 24th of October and it arrived to me on Tuesday, which was the 12th of November. So it took just under 3 weeks to go from me submitting my order on Knitup to it actually arriving to me here in the UK in my office. So it was shipped with DHL, and this is how it comes. It is in this bag, which I'm going to open up. It is then wrapped in some lovely tissue paper. Ooh. And this is the garment itself. It is incredibly soft, guys. I do not own anything that is wool. Y'all are looking at it before I am. I haven't even had a look at it. Okay. Oh wow. Like the detail of the woven part, like it's quite detailed, which is really amazing to me. And this back woven detail is incredible. Look at the way that looks. I'm going to try it on. Oh, and I'm really happy with the buttons that I ended up going with, because if you watched my previous video, you will see that I was struggling with deciding which button to go for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is super cozy, super nice. Oh my gosh, I have a holiday coming up and it's gonna be like not very warm. So I'm definitely taking this cardigan with me. Oh my gosh, it is, I love it. Just look at the detail. It's incredible. I might have to add this to my own Chevrolet collection, guys. That is so good. And the fact that it actually came in under 3 weeks is so incredible. the months are getting colder, so if you see me wearing this jumper in my videos like a lot, mind your business, because yeah. So one thing I actually wanted to quickly mention about Knitup is the fact that they have an upcoming Shopify integration, which basically means that you can use the Knitup platform to design your garments and then upload that to Shopify as an integration, and then your customers can basically shop that particular garment from your website, which I think is absolutely incredible. I am not 100% sure when that feature is going to be coming out, but once it's out, I will of course like update the description in this particular video. I am going to have Knitup linked in my description, so definitely check it out, because honestly, first impression of this garment, it's really nice, it's really soft. My design came out really well. I'm really happy with it, and yeah, I am definitely considering adding some knitwear to my Shiva collection. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in my very next video. Bye.